Hello Taurus, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star Star Star. So Taurus, this is your reading for the month of February 2021 and this is your post mid-month reading, okay? And probably this will be the last reading for the month of February. So Taurus, right. This is a general reading. Please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. This may not resonate with every single person, okay? Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid, Taurus, right? Also, Taurus, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading, okay? I would also request you to hit on that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload the videos, right? Let me explain you the format of the reading, Taurus. I'm gonna place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm gonna place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. In between, I'm gonna place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Later on, I'm going to pull some cards from another deck and we'll see what are the general messages, what are the non-love messages for you and your person, okay? Also, Taurus, we'll see later on what are the messages from higher powers, what are the messages from the universe regarding this connection or in general. At the end, we'll wind up this reading by pulling out one single card, which will be the likely conclusion for the given situation. Okay, all right, Taurus, let's get started. Sorry, there was someone on the door. I had to check who was that. So let's get started, Taurus. Okay. We have justice for you. Six of Swords. The Emperor. For your person is Five of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, the Moon. The mutual energies are of Page of Wands, Five of Swords. Okay. So if we have to talk about the zodiac signs over here, you may be dealing with a Libra. I see a very strong air sign presence, Libra in particular, Aries, okay? Otherwise, I see you may be dealing with a Cancer, okay? So you may be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, okay? Right, and also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, okay? But most likely it's a strong presence of earth and fire, okay? Right, so as far as you're concerned, Taurus, we have Justice, we have Six of Swords, and we have Emperor. Okay. So Taurus, you are on your own spiritual journey right now, okay? Very clearly you are on your own spiritual journey. You're moving from this card to become this Emperor, okay? You are maturing from this level to this level. And also we have Six of Swords in between, which represents momentum, right? So there is a journey which you have undertaken from moving wherein you were a bit naive, okay? Of course you were, the Justice card doesn't like, you know, I'll not say totally that what it represents, but I'm getting more attracted towards the symbolism or the you know, the facial expressions of the person on this card, okay? So what is coming, or the kind of vibes I'm getting over here is this is someone who is a bit young, okay? The person in the Justice card is someone who is a bit young or younger, and the Emperor is someone who is a wise old man, right? So you are embarking on this journey of moving from this to this. Okay. Yes, you were showing to the world that you are intelligent person. You were showing to the world that, I'm not someone who can mess around with. Okay, but people refrained from messing around with you only when you were showing them that no, don't mess around with me, do not make attempts to mess around with me. Okay, but you want to reach this level where people will never dare to think about messing around with you. Okay, so you will never ever be required to show to them that I'm not someone whom you can mess around with. Okay, they will automatically feel that, whoa, I don't want to mess around with Taurus. Okay, Taurus is someone who is fucking powerful. Taurus is someone who is extremely wise person. In fact, people will come towards you for taking your advice and consultation. So there is this spiritual journey that you have embarked upon. Okay, from shifting from this naive energy, shifting from this young energy towards something that is more mature, towards something that is more stable. Okay, uh, and this journey was triggered in your life because of your recent past person. Okay, I see that you people may be twin flames. Okay, there is something that has been triggered inside you by your person, and you have triggered inside your person, something that you have triggered inside your person, and they have triggered something inside you. So you both are mirroring something big time. Okay, you both are mirroring your energies. One good thing about you, Taurus, is what I've seen is you are a very nice and a kind-hearted soul. Okay, and spirit are, they really want to uplift you, Taurus. Okay, you have gone through a lot, but what usually happens is when people go through a lot, they kind of get influenced by the wrong energies. Okay, and then they think that uh, remaining in that negative vibration is something normal. Okay, just because you had to face a lot of struggles doesn't mean that you have to give struggles to the other person. Okay, you are not like that, Taurus. Even there were hardships in your life, even if you have gone through a lot in your life, what I see is you did not let the negative energies affect yourself. You're still that equally pure soul when you were 10 years back, or okay, or when you were like a child. You're carrying that purity inside you, and that's why your spirit team is very happy with you. Your ancestors are very happy with you, and your ancestors are like, they want to uplift you to this level. Okay, they want to uplift you, and they are helping you in this journey. Your ancestors, your spirit team is helping you in this journey. Okay, you are very passionate about this person. There is so much red, okay, in both these cards. So you are extremely passionate about this person, and probably, Taurus, you know why you met this person. There was a very higher purpose behind this fated meeting, okay, between you and your person. Okay, you are aware that your person is a soulmate or a twin flame of yours. You may have approached certain tarot card readers, or you may have approached psychics or occult science expert. Okay, and these people may have told you like, you people came together for some purpose. Okay, you people are past life soulmates, you people are twin flames, and you people came together so that you could learn something out of this relationship. So you are pretty much aware about the purpose of this relationship, about the purpose of this fated meeting. Okay, so I don't see that, even if you are in separation right now from this person, but I don't see that there are any kind of regrets around this relationship. You are considering this experience as a learning experience. You are considering this situation as an opportunity for you to grow within yourself. Okay, and as far as the feelings for this person are concerned, you love them, Taurus. You do love them. Okay, but right now I'm seeing that you have completely realized that it is more important for you to invest in yourself so that you will attract the right kind of energy. And what I see is, since you people are twin flames, I am getting a very strong energy of you people being twin flames, Taurus. You working on yourself, Taurus, will help your person also uplift themselves. Okay, that will inspire them to work on themselves, that will inspire them to walk in the right direction along with you. So they will also start evolving, they will also take down the path of spiritual journey, they will also get into that spiritual awakening process. Okay, so you are focusing on yourself, and you know that directly or indirectly you are affecting your person in a positive manner. Okay, so even if you love your person, you are in separation, but at the same time you know that it is more important for you to focus on yourself. You're trying to balance, you're trying to bring stability in your life, Taurus. Okay, I see that you probably invested a lot in this relationship, and you just realize that the scales of your life are totally imbalanced. You need to divide your energy in other areas as well. You need to equally devote your time and energy for other areas of your life as well. So you are trying to balance the scales right now. Okay, you are investing yourself in your self growth. Okay, you're maybe investing yourself in your career goals. I see that there are some career goals, and you are very determined. Okay, this year 2021 is what you want to make it as your year. You are all set to achieve your goals. Okay, and you know that your own career development will help you grow as well internally. Okay, so you are focused on your career, you want to become this leader. Okay, that's what I see. You are really aiming to become a leader in your field. Okay, and you're working very hard, and even if that requires giving up on certain things or certain people in your life, you're okay with that. And when I say certain people, that doesn't necessarily mean this relationship. That also means that, you know, you have to stay away, you need to sacrifice certain things, like you may have to stay away from your family and your friends. Okay, this is your individual journey that you have decided to embark upon. Right. So as far as your person is concerned, with that Five of Wands, with that Seven of Pentacles, and with the Moon, this person is sad without you. This person is really sad without you, and this person has realized that they were totally wrong. They were totally wrong by ignoring you and and uh, and listening to wrong people. Now this person is defending you in front of these people. This person is defending you. Okay, they have totally realized that you are such a pure soul. This person has totally realized that you are such a pure soul, and there were some jealous people who were trying to throw pelt stones at you for no reasons. Okay, there were some jealous people who did not want you and your person to come together. Your person is feeling very sad about it right now. Your person is not at all happy that they uh, that they entertain the wrong people in their life. Okay, your person is, there is a lot of guilty feelings, and this person feels the pain that you may have gone through. Okay, this person is feeling the pain that you have gone through. Okay, and this person is like, it's because of my mistake, you know, it's solely because of my mistake Taurus had to go through this kind of a pain. Okay, I made my loved ones to go through this pain because of my own mistake. This person is regretting so much, and they are really defending you in front of others right now. This person is strongly defending you in front of others. This is really beautiful. This is very beautiful. Mutual energies are of Page of Wands and Five of Swords. There is this energy where both of you are feeling that, you know, it's important to give one another space. Okay, it is important to heal from whatever has happened in the past. Okay, both of you are realizing that the much needed space is required, the much needed healing is required on both the ends. Okay, and the healing will happen only when you give one another the required space. So even if there are intentions to reconcile, consciously, subconsciously, there are intentions to reconcile, there are intentions to come ahead and do that heart to heart and passionate conversation. Okay, but before that, it is very important that both of you are healed. Both of you are carrying a lot of wounds. Okay, this person realized your importance only during this period of separation, and now they are hurting a lot. They are getting hurt like anything. I'm telling you, this person is really hurt for the way they have treated you. They are very, very hurt. Okay, this person, in fact, is, I feel that with that moon card, I'm feeling that this person is drinking a lot during nighttime, evening time, and they keep on crying that they caused you a lot of hurt and they damaged your heart because of their own mistakes, because of their own behavior. Okay, and they know that you need to heal right now. It's not appropriate to come right away towards you. Okay, and both of you know that you want to, both of you are sensing that there is the strong connection, both of you are sensing that there is a higher purpose behind this fated meeting. Okay, there is some unfinished business between both of you, both of you know that. Okay, but it has to be done at the right time. Now this time no mistake can be done. Both of you are realizing that. Okay, so let's see what are the general messages. Let's see what are the general messages for you and your person, Taurus. What are the general messages for you and your person, Taurus? Why the cards are jumping out, Taurus? What are the general messages for you and your person? What are the general messages for you and your person? Ooh. We have the moon for you. Cancer energy is very strong over here. 9 of Cups, King of Swords. For your person is Ace of Wands, 7 of Cups, 10 of Wands. Yeah, so we have moon, we have 9 of Cups, and we have King of Swords. You're working very hard regarding something. Okay, you're totally devoted towards something right now. Okay, probably your career, you may be having your own ideas, and what I'm getting over here, Taurus, is that you have some secret ideas which are brewing in your mind since a very long time. You want to implement those ideas, and whatever you're doing, you want to keep it as a big secret. Okay, you don't want to let anyone know about it. Okay, and you will disclose your identity behind this idea only when you know that you are successful in your ideas. Okay, and the definition of success differs from person to person. Whatever you are doing right now, or whatever you're planning to do in your future, that's going to bring a lot of abundance and happiness, and that is going to bring a lot of sense of independence. Okay, you will get a lot of name and fame also. Some of you at least are going to get a lot of name and fame. Someone is observing you from far. There is a new person who is interested in you, and they are observing you since a very long time. A new energy is observing you since a very long time, and this person, whosoever this new person is, this person is very intelligent, very strategic, and this person has fucking gone through a lot. Okay, they have gone through a lot, and they really know like when to attack their prey. Okay, no, this is not at all a bad energy. When I used the phrase when to attack a prey, what I meant was this person is really waiting for the right time. Okay, they know that this is going to be the right time, and exactly at the right time this person is going to make, and they're going to approach you. Okay, so this is very smart, very intelligent person, and once they decide to chase you, they are fuckingly not going to listen to anyone. Okay, this person is highly independent, never gets swayed by anyone else's opinion. Okay, so I like this energy. As far as your person is concerned, Ace of Wands, Seven of Cups, and Ten of Wands. So first of all, this person is on the verge of, yeah, this person is cutting out people from their life, cutting out people and cutting out situations. For some of you, this person is changing jobs. This person is getting relocated somewhere else. Okay, they they have also taken up, they are also walking down the spiritual journey. I'm telling you, both of you are mirroring this energy big time. Okay, both of you have triggered something inside one another. Okay, this person is, I heard past life regression analysis. This person has done probably a past life regression analysis, and they found out that there is some connectivity between you and them since last many past lives. Okay, there is something that they have discovered about you and them, Taurus. uh, this person has chosen you, but they have also chosen spiritual awakening. So this person may take some time to come towards you. Okay, so let's see, uh, what are the messages from the higher powers? What are the messages from the higher powers? What are the messages from the higher powers? All tied up and the world. Someone is feeling stuck. All tied up is more or less like a Eight of Swords energy. Someone is feeling stuck over here. Okay, someone knows that they can get out of that situation. Okay, oh, or I feel that there are some wrong influences. Okay, there are some people either around you or either around your person who are basically, it's not just envious about this connection, but these people or these set of people, they are really envious and jealous of you progressing in your life, you or a person progressing in their life. Okay, and they know that once you or your person release yourself from this energy, nothing can stop them. Okay, the world will be on your fingertips. Like, I am the whosoever these people are, they know that you have some great hidden potential inside you. They don't want you to explore this potential. Okay, and that's why these people are trying to keep you stuck. Be careful whosoever you're dealing with, or this may be applicable to your person as well. Okay, wrong influences, I'm telling you, they who said these wrong influences, they really know how to mold your brains, how to mold your thinking, so that you remain in that energy of not wanting to explore your potential. You know, they try to create some limiting beliefs within yourself. Okay, if, say for example, Taurus, if you are thinking to start a business of your own, okay, and that is, say for example, is the best thing for you, but whosoever these wrong people are, they will try to influence you, like saying like, hey, no, business is not suitable for you. Okay, job is something that is suitable for you. Go for that 9 to 5 job, that's good for you, do that. Okay, so these people will try to manipulate you so that you will not progress in your life. So just be careful. It's just an example that I have given to you regarding that job and business. Okay, there may be many other such examples. So what are the messages? What are the messages from the universe? What will come? What you give will come back. Okay, what goes around comes around. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. You are a very unique person. Okay, you are a very talented person, and that's why you're attracting talented people, talented and intelligent people. You need to explore your talents. Time for Love Fest. Yay, it's time for Love Fest. Love is happening again. There isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave for your approval. Oh my god, this is so big. People get a high when they know that they are getting a validation or an acknowledgement or an approval from Taurus. Okay, people have put you on a very high pedestal. Honor thyself. You need to honor yourself. Okay, you need to see that your needs are taken care of, right? Right, so let's see what is the likely conclusion for this situation. What is the likely conclusion for the given situation? What is the likely conclusion for the given situation? Oh, King of Wands. So some passionate person is coming towards you. A passionate offer is coming towards you. Okay, someone is coming towards you to take care of you. Someone is coming towards you to protect you. Someone is coming towards you to provide for you. Okay, this person is like, don't mess around with my person, else I'll kill you. I am loving this. Oh wow, this is really nice. So this may be, for some of you, this may be a past person, like I told you, right? Your person is trying to defend you in front of others right now, or this may be even a new person. Wow, that's beautiful, Taurus. I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.